transmission all boxed up for the Supra. The car's still not back, but I figured let's get a jump on the transmission and the motor, get it started. So then by the time we get the car back, we're not waiting around. So I've picked up a crate from Uline. We're gonna get it all boxed up, get all the little pieces in it, and get this sent out. So let's get going. So we got a lot of pieces. We got some spare pieces here, pieces here, pieces there, pieces here from Jack's transmissions, billet forks, synchros. Got another center case there. Got some bubbles. We'll talk about that. And then we've got our transmission here. So the original transmission, when it was bought, was shipped out. It was not assembled. It was essentially what you saw in the box there. It came with the bell housing, came with that spare center case, and then it came with this right here, which you can see UPS dropped the box and broke the one mounting point on it. So we've got to put that on today, get that mounted on here, and then we're going to box it up and ship it out. This one here, we bought another center section from somebody else, and essentially there was no issues with it. It wasn't shifting, so we figured we'd make one transmission out of two. So this is our starting point. Get this sent out, and then hopefully we get one nice transmission back from Paul. I'll link him in the description, but this is what we're working with here. Okay, so I realized this crate isn't strong enough to strap down the transmission without it ripping through. So I actually went to Home Depot and picked up a couple of things. So a couple Husky, just I guess anchor points. So 8 of them. And then we've got, these are packs of just single straps. So the plan is to do 1, 2, 3, 4 essentially rows across. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 across the transmission. And then 1 strap per. And these were, actually wasn't that bad. So these straps here, the anchors are $9.44 each for a pack, Canadian. And then the straps are $2.98 each pack. And then we picked up solid pine, just 3-foot pieces. We're going to put this underneath the bottom, so we'll run it the length, and we'll use that to screw these into, and then we can put these on top and essentially strap over like that. But essentially the widows also, they're $5.68 each, so $47 plus the cost of the crate, and then we'll have to get some packaging material for all this stuff. But with that said though, you need to weigh everything, so we brought the scale out. Just weighed every individual piece. We know the dry weight of the transmission, and then we know the weight of the crate itself, and then we'll add that all up when we get the shipping label. So let's get this package up. Okay, we got it all wrapped up. Little 4 straps, just across. Little towel here just so it doesn't rub into that bell housing. But block here, screwed into the block we put underneath. You can see it. Just a 2x2, just to keep it secure. Doesn't move. And do one on the back side. So you could essentially put the sides on now, close this up. I have to put all these pieces inside here. So you can either skip ahead or just watch me fill this up. You could also put some peanuts in here or some foam. We really wanted to just keep it protected, or some bubble wrap, but as long as it doesn't move, it shouldn't really get damaged. The case will be around to protect it, but it's up to you depending on what you're transporting. Okay, so I've got some extra packing material I actually threw in here just because I have a bunch of gears and shafts and things I didn't want to bang it around. But if you're just sending a transmission or engine, I don't think you need to do all this, but you know, it obviously doesn't hurt. There's not much weight to it with all the styrofoam, but that's what I've done. I don't have sealing labels, or like the little sticky pieces that go on, so what I do is I just staple this on, maybe some duct tape over top, put one there, one on the top, just in case it falls off, and then we can slip like the custom form in, packing slip, just so it's accessible and they can take it out if they need to. But staples and things like that actually sell the slips for the boxes, but I just use these, a little bit easier. One, missed one staple. Another one here. Same thing. Now it's just off to DHL. That's wrapping up a transmission. It's the first one I've done, so you know, any tips or comments, suggestions, just leave them below. Probably have to ship out a few more items with the Supra. You know, it'll be transmission's going to go out first, and then it'll be motor, and I'm sure there will be many other things, maybe rear diff. There's not a lot of local people who do this kind of stuff, so shipping it out's a little bit of a pain, but you know, you want to make sure it goes to the right people. So anyway, let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for the next one.